Ready to supercharge your Liondesk CRM and turn website visitors into hot leads? Let's integrate smart forms into your Liondesk CRM, making your life easier and lead generation more effective. First up, head into your Liondesk CRM and click on the Forms section, usually located under Marketing or Contacts. Next, we will make a new form. Click on Create Form in the upper right-hand corner and select the Smart Form option. This is where the magic happens, so the form knows the type of contact. Now, it's time to build your smart form. Add the fields you want to capture from your leads. Do we want a name, email, phone number? Liondesk makes this super simple, with options like drag and drop for customization. Remember, keep it concise. A shorter form often yields more completions. Once you've completed your ideal form, select the destination of your form so it will know where to send the information. Customize this section to send the information into your Liondesk CRM. This will ensure the data goes exactly where you need it. After you choose the destination, it's time to publish your form. You will be given embed code. You can add this code directly to your website where you want the form to appear. Congratulations! Your Liondesk Smart Form is now live on your website. As leads fill out the form, their information will automatically be captured in your CRM. This means no more manual data entry and instant lead capture. From here, you can trigger automated lead nurturing campaigns, send personalized emails, and streamline your follow-up process. That's it. Integrate smart forms for an easier workflow.